When you're working 60 feet up in the air, you don't want to have to rely on non-genuine third-party parts, and that's why at GCIRON we only sell OEM parts straight from the manufacturer. We carry genuine parts for all your JLG and Genie needs. Every part is carefully labeled and cataloged so that we can quickly find whatever you are looking for. We sell OEM parts for manufacturers such as JLG, Gradall, Skytrak, Lull, Multiquip, Genie, and Kubota. You can find the right parts you need quickly and easily using our powerful parts navigation system. Parts on our site are shown via exploded parts diagrams. Detailed schematics show the parts for each assembly of your machine. You can access our parts finder anywhere, fast and conveniently using your computer, smartphone, or tablet. And you can find your parts using these 4 easy steps. GCIRON.com has created a powerful parts ordering and service system. We can facilitate more electronic orders, create higher order accuracy, and a higher reorder rate on new equipment. Our site is reliable, safe, and open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are strongly committed to providing our customers with top quality equipment, parts, and service, so be sure to check us out. Thank you so much for watching.